Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to show you some more features about a really cool scooter. The scooter is called the Megatron, and it's an automatic folding scooter. It's made by a company called Discover Your Mobility. They've actually been in business for about 30 years. So they've been around for a long time. They have some great scooters, great electric wheelchairs. This one is auto folding, so you can fold it with just the push of a button on a remote fob, and can support 310 pounds of weight. It actually comes with 2 batteries. So the battery is right here on the floorboard, and between the 2 batteries you get about 16 miles on a charge. It's airline approved. This scooter is great for airlines or cruise ships, and the top speed's 5 miles per hour. So let's get into this video and show you more about the Megatron. So the remote fob is pretty basic, but you can see there's just an A and a B. So I'm going to hold A down to unfold. Now if I tap it, it's not going to fold. I actually have to hold it down the entire time so it'll unfold. Now folding this is a little bit tricky. So you'll notice that the key is not turned on. So the key has to be in the off position. That's one thing. And then on the back of the scooter, there's a button here that needs to be pressed in. So if this is pressed out, it's not going to fold. So I can press this button, it's not going to fold. Now if I press it in with the key in the off position, now it's going to fold. So that is something to be aware of. Now unfold it, pressing the A. It does come with 2 of these. You also have 2 sets of keys. Now, if you don't have the key fob for some reason, you can still fold it. You still have to keep it in the off position. You have to have this pressed in, but you have to press one of these buttons. So if I press the 1 and I hold it in, it's going to fold the scooter. And then to unfold, I'm going to press the 2 on this back button. So that is the other way that you would unfold this. Now you also notice on the back we have a charging port here. So you can charge the battery here, or if you didn't want to do that, you can remove the battery. It's in the floorboard. You just pull it right out. You got a charging port right here. So this weighs about 2 pounds. You got 2 of these. Then you can leave the scooter inside of your car and then just bring this inside your home to charge. So I like that you have that capability.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those 2 things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
Also, we have this Freewheel lever. This always trips people up a lot. So right now you can see it's in the drive position. So when it's in the drive, it won't move because the electromagnetic brakes are engaged. But if I ran out of battery, for example, or I wanted to push it, I have to put it in neutral. And then now you can just push the scooter. But that's a common thing that we hear. And a lot of times that's what the issue is if the scooter's not working. Now it does come with these armrests. I had to install these. They're super easy to install, but you have these 2 knobs. You can twist them and adjust the width. So you can increase the width on each of these armrests. Seat flips down. It's probably good to do when you're folding it. You also have a big front basket. Has handles. I can actually move this switch over and it'll pop right off. And has these 2 carrying handles, so you can go shopping with this. But if I put it back on here and I lock it, it's not going to move. So now I'll have it in this locked position. When I first installed this, I installed it down here, but you want to make sure it's installed on this part.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger. And you're going to get a headlight, and this is also a horn as well. And you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
Now the tiller on this, it's a telescoping tiller. So it's a clamp here, and I can adjust the height of this. And then when you get to that height, you just secure it with that clamp. The controls are pretty simplistic, but you got your 2 sets of keys. That's how you turn it on. We got our battery gauge here. You got your speed control. And then you have your horns on each side. Throttle is a ambidextrous throttle, so I can accelerate forward or backwards with just one hand. So if you didn't have use of your left hand or your right hand, you can still operate this. When you let off the throttle, the brakes automatically engage. So that was kind of like a hard stop. So if you want to go to a smooth stop, you want to kind of slowly let off the throttle. And those are electromagnetic brakes, very common on a lot of mobility scooters and electric wheelchairs. The tiller is not angle adjustable. It's only adjustable in height.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
For flat free tires, it does do really well in grass. Actually, let me show you. I'll ride this in the grass to show you what it's like. I've actually ridden several of these kind of scooters that are auto folding, and they don't do well in grass. This one does really well. So if you needed to use this in your yard, it's not a problem. It's definitely going to perform better on a smooth surface, like, you know, asphalt or concrete, but you're not limited to just that. I'll show you one last thing. I like to show this in a lot of the videos that I make, but I'm 6'4" in height. Weight capacity of this is 310. So I'm well under that. I'm like 235, but you can see how this fits me at 6'4". So the armrest, they honestly don't serve much of a purpose for me. My arms don't even come down. I would probably remove these. If you're shorter, the armrest might work for you. They do flip up to allow you to get in and out. This feels comfortable to me at my height, so I think it would work well for someone my height, or shorter, obviously. So I like to show that just so people understand, because a lot of times they can't see this in person. But the scooter's nice. It's an affordable auto folding scooter. A lot of these auto folding ones can be a little pricier than this one, but I like it. If you have any questions about the Megatrone or any of these other Discover Your Mobility products, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day.